You get paid. You feel rich for about 48 hours. Maybe you grab food, upgrade something small, pay a few bills, relax a bit. Then suddenly you check your balance and it's like your money just evaporated. No big purchases, no crazy lifestyle, just gone. So what's happening? It's not just you spend too much. It's something way more sneaky. It's called cash flow versus lifestyle inflation. And once you see it, you can't unsee it. The basics. Let's make this stupid simple. Cash flow equals money in versus money out. That's it. You earn money, it comes in. You spend money, it goes out. If more comes in than goes out, you build money. If more goes out than comes in, you stay broke. Sounds obvious. But here's the catch. Most people don't track the out part properly. They only remember the big stuff, not the daily leaks. Okay, moving on. The leak. Imagine this. You buy a coffee. You order food. You pay for a couple apps. You grab something random online. None of these feel expensive, but stack them daily. Now your money isn't disappearing. It's leaking. Slow, quiet, constant. Like a phone battery with 20 apps open in the background. You don't notice it dying until it's at 5%. Same thing with your bank account. The upgrade trap. Now let's talk about the real villain, lifestyle inflation. That's when your spending rises every time your income rises. You get a raise. Cool. Instead of saving it, you upgrade your life. Better food, better clothes, more subscriptions, maybe a nicer phone. Nothing crazy, just slightly better everything. Feels deserved. But here's the problem. Your baseline cost of living just increased, and now you need more money just to feel normal. That's the trap. The avocado toast example. We're going to use one example the whole way through. Avocado toast. Let's say it's your thing. At first, it's occasional. Then it becomes routine. Now it's part of your lifestyle. $8 here, $10 there. Doesn't feel like a big deal. But now imagine you do that 4 to 5 times a week. Multiply that over a month, then a year. You're not buying toast anymore. You're buying a habit, and habits are expensive. Okay, keep that in mind. Fixed versus flexible. Your spending has 2 types. Fixed costs, rent, bills, subscriptions. Flexible costs, food, shopping, random stuff. Most people think the problem is fixed costs, but usually it's flexible spending that goes wild because it's emotional. You're tired, you order food. You're bored, you scroll and buy something. You're stressed, you treat yourself. That adds up way faster than rent increases. The illusion of I deserve this. This one's dangerous. You work hard, so your brain says, I deserve this. And yeah, sometimes you do. But your brain says that every day. That's the problem. Daily rewards become normal behavior. Now your rewards are no longer rewards. They're just expenses. Your avocado toast isn't a treat anymore. It's your default. See the shift? Income isn't the fix. Most people think, if I just made more money, I'd be fine. Not really. Because if your habits don't change, your spending just scales with your income. You go from cheap food to expensive food. Basic clothes to branded clothes, free apps to paid subscriptions. Same pattern, different price level. Still broke, just more expensive broke. Invisible subscriptions. Let's talk about silent killers, subscriptions. Streaming, apps, cloud storage, random trials you forgot. Each one feels small, $5, $10, $15. But stack 5 to 10 of them, now you've got a monthly bill you barely think about, and you're paying it every month, forever, even when you're not using half of them. That's not convenience. That's auto drain. Timing problem. Here's something people ignore. Money doesn't leave evenly. Most expenses hit early. Rent, bills, payments. So right after payday, your balance drops fast. Then comes daily spending. By the end of the month, you're running on fumes. So it feels like you're always broke, even if your income is decent. That's a cash flow timing issue. Social pressure. Now add other people. Friends going out, social media, people flexing lifestyles. You see it constantly. And your brain thinks this is normal, so you try to match it. Same food, same places, same habits. But you don't see their bank account, only the highlight reel. So you copy the spending without knowing the cost. The real problem? It's not one big purchase. It's not one bad decision. It's a system, a loop of you earn, you spend, you upgrade, you normalize, repeat. And inside that loop, small habits like your avocado toast keep stacking, quietly, consistently, relentlessly. So what do? You don't need to become extreme. You don't need to stop enjoying life. You just need awareness. Start with this. Track where your money actually goes. Not what you think, what actually happens. Then look for